Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore simple yet effective ways to boost your health and well-being. Today we're going to talk about a fruit that often flies under the radar but packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of papayas. This fruit is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your overall health. This tropical fruit with its vibrant color and delicious taste is often overlooked as a nutritional powerhouse. Its rich orange flesh is not just visually appealing but also loaded with essential nutrients. But trust me, beneath that unassuming exterior lies a treasure trove of health benefits just waiting to be unlocked. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, papayas have it all. In this video, we're going to break down 9 science-backed reasons why you should consider making papaya a regular part of your diet. We'll explore how this fruit can improve your skin, help in weight loss, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Get ready to have your mind blown. By the end of this video, you'll be rushing to the nearest market to grab some fresh papayas. So stay tuned, and let's get started on this juicy journey to better health. Let's start by talking about just how nutrient-dense papayas really are. These vibrant fruits are not only delicious but also packed with a variety of essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. We're talking about a fruit that's low in calories but bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Imagine a fruit that can satisfy your sweet tooth while also providing a powerhouse of nutrients. Think vitamin C for a boosted immune system, which is crucial for fighting off colds and infections. Just 1 cup of papaya can provide more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin A for healthy vision, which is essential for maintaining good eyesight and preventing age-related eye conditions. Papayas are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, and fiber to keep things moving smoothly in the digestive department. A diet high in fiber can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. But here's where it gets really interesting. Papaya contains a unique enzyme called Papain. This enzyme is not only beneficial for digestion, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. This enzyme is a digestive superstar, helping your body break down proteins more effectively. It's often used in meat tenderizers for this very reason. And as if that wasn't enough, papaya also brings folate, potassium, and even small amounts of calcium and magnesium to the table. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, from bone strength to heart function. It's like a multivitamin in a delicious, edible package. So next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, consider reaching for a papaya. Your body will thank you for it. Remember that amazing enzyme Papain we talked about? Well, it's about to become your new best friend, especially if you struggle with digestive issues. Papain acts as a natural digestive aid, breaking down those tough protein fibers and easing the digestive process. This means less bloating, less discomfort, and a happier gut overall. But papaya doesn't stop there. It's also a good source of fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. So, if you're tired of feeling sluggish and uncomfortable after meals, adding some papaya to your diet could be a game changer. Chronic inflammation is a silent troublemaker in the body, linked to a whole host of health problems. But here's the good news. Papaya is packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight inflammation at the cellular level. We're talking about vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and even unique antioxidants like lycopene. These antioxidants work together to neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation throughout your body. This can translate to a lower risk of chronic diseases, from heart disease to certain types of cancer. Speaking of heart health, papaya deserves a standing ovation for its heart protective properties. Those antioxidants we talked about, they're not just fighting inflammation. They're also working hard to keep your heart healthy and strong. Papaya is particularly rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Plus, the fiber in papaya can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive tract and preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. So by adding papaya to your diet, you're giving your heart some serious TLC. Now let's talk about one of the most promising areas of papaya research, its potential to fight cancer. While more research is always needed, early studies suggest that the antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in papaya may have anti-cancer effects. For example, some studies have found that papaya extracts can slow the growth of certain types of cancer cells in test tubes and animal studies. While it's important to remember that these are early findings, they're definitely promising and highlight the potential of papaya as part of a holistic approach to cancer prevention. Want to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant? Papaya can help with that too. This incredible fruit is packed with vitamin C and E, both of which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and pollution, while vitamin E helps to moisturize and nourish the skin from within. But here's the really cool part. Papaya also contains an enzyme called Papain, which can help to exfoliate dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This can leave your skin looking brighter, smoother, and more youthful. Chapter 7. Powerful antioxidant effects. We've talked a lot about antioxidants throughout this video, and for good reason. These powerful compounds are essential for protecting your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. Papaya is loaded with a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and lycopene. By eating papaya regularly, you're giving your body an army of antioxidants to fight free radical damage and keep you healthy. Chapter 8 stimulates hair growth. Hair loss is a common concern for many people, affecting both men and women of various ages. But did you know that papaya may be able to help combat this issue? While more research is needed in this area, some studies suggest that the nutrients in papaya, particularly vitamin A, may promote hair growth. Vitamin A is known for its role in cell growth, and it can help in the regeneration of hair follicles. Vitamin A is essential for the production of sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the scalp and keeps hair healthy. A well-moisturized scalp is less likely to experience dryness and flakiness, which can contribute to hair loss. Papaya is also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein that not only supports skin health but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the strength and structure of hair. Collagen is a protein that gives hair its strength and elasticity. Strong, elastic hair is less prone to breakage and split ends, which can make your hair appear fuller and healthier. So if you're looking for natural ways to boost hair growth, adding papaya to your diet could be a good place to start. Incorporating this delicious fruit into your meals can provide your body with essential nutrients that support overall hair health. Whether you enjoy it in a smoothie, a salad, or simply on its own, papaya can be a tasty and beneficial addition to your diet. Chapter 9 helps reduce stress as we get older. As we age, it's more important than ever to manage stress levels. Chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health. Interestingly, some research suggests that papaya may have stress-reducing effects. One study found that people who ate papaya regularly had lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, it's certainly an intriguing possibility. Plus, the delicious taste and tropical vibe of papaya alone can be a great mood booster. Outro: the power of papaya. So there you have it, 9 amazing health benefits of papaya that you probably didn't know about. From boosting digestion to fighting inflammation and even potentially protecting against cancer, this humble fruit is a true nutritional powerhouse. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a papaya or two. Your body will thank you.